Hey, good day everyone. I've got this nightstand here. I just pulled everything out of the box and here's everything that came in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together step by step. All right, here's step one. So I've got piece 2 and 3 here and the legs faced appropriately. So I've got piece 5 and 7, and then I have piece 4 and 6. Fasteners that are going on the opposing side are these ones here. So each side here is going to get 2 of these and 1 of those. Here's a look at this side just for reference too. Okay, the nice thing about setting it up this way, you just take this, set it to the right here, and now you got the fasteners that go in there. So we're going to put this one here and the wood dowel right in there. You can see it's going to go right in there. So go ahead and get these. Go ahead and put this right in there, and then this is going to go on the other side. Now I've got both sides in there, and then these are just going to slide right in there. See where that arrow's pointing? You want to put the arrow towards the fastener there. Tighten it up, not too tight. Okay, the next step is to install those rails. Now you can take a look here and see what I'm looking at. So this is side 3 here. You want to put it in the second one back from the wheel, and then that second one on the left, and then that one right there. So if you look, it's the bigger of the 2 holes, bigger of the 2 holes, bigger of all these holes. Same thing with this one. Second one back. There we go. All right, next here we got piece 8. What we're gonna do is take these things, you can see in the side here, piece 8. It's gonna take a couple of these there. Actually, it's gonna go like that, but they're gonna go right in the side here and here, and the wooden dowel is gonna go right in here. Same thing for both sides. And then same thing here. We'll put these in and tighten those down. Okay, we're now going to put in piece 10, which is going to go on the bottom here. So we're going to go ahead and put these, 4 of them, 1 in each leg. Piece 10 here, I loosened that up so we can pull it apart a little bit. Piece 10 is going to go right in here, and those pieces there are going to fit right in here. Okay, now we'll go ahead and tighten those up there. Then we're going to put these in right down here in the bottom. There we go. We'll go ahead and make it look like that. Now we'll take this and turn it upside down. Okay, now what we're going to do is go ahead and put one of these in every one of these holes and tighten it down all around there. All right, that step's done. So 14, 11, and 12, and they're just going to go in here with these screws right there. Okay, after you got the 3 sides on, now we'll just go ahead and slide this bottom piece, which is piece number 13, sliding that right in there. I'm going to take 4 of piece number letter E's, put them here, here, and there. All right, that step is done. Okay, now we need to put this handle on the drawer. So the handle is going to go right here. All right, now opposite the drawer there, the wheel goes down this way. And it's going to go like that, right on there. All right, that step is finished. Good, that's good. Okay, now we're going to put in piece 9. Piece 9 is going to go right in here. We'll put this on here with a wooden dowel on each side. Same thing with this side.